Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Health, Beauty and Mind by Raj. Here is Arya. I have a little helper. I'm not sure if she's going to help or make it hard for me, but I just wanted her to join me today. Say hi. She's learning new things and she's exploring everything these days. I think she's just looking at herself and smiling. Today's video is going to be all about brushes and some tips on how to use whatever you have at home. So to start off, this is my brush kit. So you don't need these many brushes. I need them because I use them professionally for my work, but I can show you what you need. Arya, you want to show everyone? This one? This one? Okay, so we need, this is for the eye makeup. You only need 4 brushes. If you can buy 4 brushes, that's what you need. Oops, I don't think she's letting me do anything today. Alright, so let's go through all the brushes one by one. So the important ones are, this one is called a blending brush. It should be fluffy, a little bit thicker, and then have a little point, not pointy, but like a round shape at the top. Yeah. So that's called a blending brush, which is so important because eye makeup is all about blending colors. I have many clients, they always ask me how to blend, how to use different colors, and how to use so many brushes, because there are so much a big range of makeup brushes you can see at the shops. You get confused what to buy and you don't know which one to use on which area of the eye. So I will go through today. If you know already, that's well and good, but if you don't know which brush to use for your eyes, so here are the tips. So you use this one for blending, which I always use for my crease and my transition colors. So you use blending brush, big one, for the top part of your eye, just like that. So that's one. So you gotta keep blending until you have the nice color on the eyes. So the second brush you need is this brush, which looks like this. It's not too wide, not too thin, it's not too thick, so a bit smaller than the blending brush. So to use this kind of brush, you need to have a dark color from the palette, any darkest color. This is way too dark, just something like this. So you use that color on the outer corner of the eye, so just over there like that, and then you go under very close to the lash line, just like that. So that's the other one. So we've done 2. Now we have this one, is a synthetic brush. You need to use this brush for these type of eyeshadows, which are highly pigmented, like a creamy texture, sparkly. So I like to use my fingers to apply the color like that, but you can also use the brush, just to show you. See how the fingers work better than the brush. I might look funny with some makeup on my eye, but it's just to show you guys how you can use synthetic brush if you want to use the brush instead of your fingers. So that's it. So the last one is, I always use a angle brush. So one angle brush, that is when I use this for, just for my eyebrows, just under the eyebrows. So I like to use the lightest color and then use it just under the eyebrows, just like that. So just need 4 brushes. So blending, one synthetic for glittery or shimmery creamy eyeshadow if you don't want to use your fingers. This one is for the outer corners, or anything similar to this brush you can use. And one you can use for the eyebrows, just to cover the under eyebrow area with some shimmery colors. So we talked about the eye brushes, so let's talk about now face brushes. For the foundation, I like to use the sponge. This gives you flawless look. I like to clean it, like wash it in the water, in cold water, and then squeeze all the water out and use it like a damp on my face. And one big brush for your powder, like a face powder to set the foundation, one for the blush, and one angle brush for the contour, which you use like that. So these are the basic brushes you need. So 3 brushes and a sponge, like a beauty blender. So for the foundation, powder, contour, and blush. And I'm also due to clean my brushes. They are not clean, but next video I will show you how I clean my brushes, and so stay tuned. These are the basic brushes we talked about. If I'll go a bit further to, if you have a brush like that, it's called a fan brush. This is good for the highlighter, just above your cheekbone, just over there. So if you don't have this brush, you can always use something like that. If you have, it's like a little fluffy brush. I sometimes use the highlighter and then I just like put it on my, apply on my cheeks. So you don't have to have a perfect brush for your makeup. So you use whatever you have at home, try to work it out. But for the eyes, you do need a good blending brush. That's what I would recommend to invest. Just get a nice blending brush for your eyes if you like to do your eye makeup. So for the face, you can manage with a sponge. For the foundation, and the rest I already told you guys. So I hope you guys liked this video and this was helpful for you guys. Please do let me know in the comments, and I will come up with another video. And do let me know if this was helpful and any questions you have, and I'm happy to answer in my next video. And thank you so much for watching, and thank you for giving me so much love. And please do not forget to subscribe my channel so you do not miss out my next videos when I post them. So thank you, hope you have a great day. I'll see you next time. Bye.